Good afternoon. Hello, everyone. Hopefully, you're doing well. Today, we are going to start our third home economics period. We're going to prepare Charlotte sweet. Charlotte sweet is very yummy and tasty sweet. You can do it in different ways. Today, I'm going to teach you my way to do this Charlotte sweet. So I will be waiting just only 1 minute, and then we will start, inshallah, our session for today. Okay? Just only waiting for some girls. They might join us. Until now, I do have 15 participants. If you have any question, just only write it down on the chat. So I will be answering your questions once we're done. Okay? Ghalia Al-Khamis raised her hand. Yes. Ritaj says hi. Hi, Ritaj. Hi, all of you. As I told you, by the end of this video, by the end of this session, I will be suggesting for you for next week's home economics period, like 2 recipes, and you will be choosing which one you want me to prepare for you next week or to prepare together. So let's get started. I believe now 1 minute and we will start, inshallah. So just only a recalling until they join us, until the girls join us, just only I will tell you what we are going to use today, what are the materials and what are the ingredients that will be used within this recipe. In order to prepare Charlotte sweet, we are going to use materials that you're going to use. You're going to use plastic bowl, choose deep one, because you are going to mix the whipped cream. So you need to choose deep one, okay, like this one. You're gonna use like serving tray. This one, the one I'm gonna use it, and this is the portion that, it is almost this portion that we are going to use today, to serve today. Also, if you would like to use, to make mini Charlotte sweets within these cups, you can use as well. You are going to use whisk, silicone spatula, and I believe that's it. These are the materials used. Now for the ingredients, I'm gonna just only remind you with the ingredients that we are going to use within this recipe. You need to use biscuits. This biscuit has like 15, this pack has 15 biscuits. We are going to use almost 3 of these. So this is 100 grams, 15 biscuits, 15 tea biscuits. Okay, as I mentioned in the announcements for the ingredients that will be used, we are going to use like 2 cups of milk. Okay, I will divide them. This is the first one. I'm gonna use it for dipping the biscuits. And this one, the second one, I'm gonna use it for the whipped cream, to make the whipped cream with. We are going to use as well kiri. If you don't have kiri, it's okay. You can use any of the triangles cheese, anything. Even if you have cream cheese, you can use your cream cheese. Okay, it's up to you. So I will be using here 4 of these. Okay, I will be using as well this creme caramel. It is 1 sachet here. This is the creme caramel I'm gonna use. Whipped cream, also any kind of whipped cream that you have. We are going to use 2 sachets, and we are going to use thick cream or Gamer, any brand you'd like. This is what I found. I found KDD thick cream, any Gamer. Okay, it is like 250 milli. And you are going to use like 2 spoons of Nutella. If you don't have Nutella, it's okay. You can use cocoa powder. It's okay. You can use 2 spoons of cocoa powder. So these are the ingredients used by today. And for decoration, any kind of anything you'd like to decorate this Charlotte sweet with, it is okay. Now, so far, I will be starting now. I believe it is time. I waited. We have like 18 participants. Hello everyone again. So fast, I'm gonna repeat the materials that will be used within this recipe. We're going to use this tray, any kind of tray, serving tray that you'd like. We need to use like the bowl in order to prepare our cream. We are going to use a whisk, and we are going to use a spatula, silicone spatula. For me, in order to save time, I'm gonna use this speed hand mixer. Okay, if you have if you have this speed hand mixer, you can ask an adult like your mommy, somebody to help you in order to do it. So within this one, like our whipped cream will take 3 minutes. If you don't have it, this hand whisk, you are going to stir very well in order to get this whipped cream ready within 10 minutes. You need to use it for 10 minutes. So in order to save time, I used my speed hand mixer. Now let's get started. These are the materials for the ingredients so fast. 2 cups of milk and 3 packs of biscuits, 100 grams biscuits. Each is 15 tea biscuits, 4 Kiri cubes, 1 gamer or thick cream, 2 spoons of Nutella or cocoa powder, 2 sachets of whipped cream, and 1 creme caramel. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing, in order to do, I said that we are going to have like 2 cups of milk. Okay, I'm gonna put this one aside, and I'm gonna use the first cup in order to dip the biscuits in. Okay, you can use your hands, you can use this one as you'd like. For me, I'm gonna use my hands. Okay, just only dip the biscuit and put it in the serving tray, as I'm doing in this way. Exactly, dip the biscuit and put it in the serving tray. By the way, I'm gonna use the serving tray, and I'm gonna use these cups because I do love these cups. Okay, we are going to prepare here, girls. Actually, I did my abaya. We are going to use here for the first layer. Don't dip it too much, just only dip it so fast and remove it so it will not be broken. Okay, as you can see, I'm dipping the biscuits. I'm gonna make here 2 layers of biscuits. Okay, even if it's broken, it's okay. You can just only make it, because my tray, my serving tray, is a small one. So fast, as you can see, this is the procedure. Dipping in milk. By the way, by the end of this, you're gonna keep it in the fridge for 2 hours almost, and then it will be ready to be served. Okay, so this is the first. I used here the biscuits. I made like 2 layers of this tea biscuits. If you'd like to make 1 layer, it's okay. Okay, as you can see. Also, I'm gonna use this cup to make another one. 1 is more than enough, okay? I will tell you why, because I will show you ways of decoration within these cups, okay? So here, I dipped, as I said, the biscuits. For the ones who joined us now, I'm gonna repeat this procedure. I just only dipped these biscuits in milk, and I kept them in the tray. I will put the tray aside in order to start preparing my cream. Okay? As I told you, we need a deep bowl in order to start making our cream. And to save my time, I'm gonna use this speed hand mixer. So if you have this one, please ask adults to help you in doing this one or to using this one. For the first step you're gonna do is to put the other cup that I moved. This is the one I dipped, I put it aside, and this is the milk, the second cup. I'm gonna use it here. Okay, this is the milk, I'll put it. I'm gonna use the whipped cream here. It is made up of 2 sachets. Okay, I'm gonna put the sachet, I'm gonna open it, and I'll put it here. Okay, I'll make sure that I removed all of it. Like some girls, they are raising their hands. I'm sorry, I am a little bit far from the laptop, so I'll be answering your questions later on. But for the current time, I'm gonna repeat what we did. All what we did now is just only to dip the biscuit and put it in the tray, in the serving tray, or in cups if you have these cups to use them for chocolate sweet. The second step is, as I mentioned in the ingredients, we need 2 cups of milk. Here, this second cup, it is almost like 225 milliliter exactly for the 2 sachets of whipped cream. Now, you can whisk using this, as I will show you. You can use this whisk in order to mix all. But in order to save time, because it will take like 10 minutes, in order to save this time, what I'm gonna do is to use this speed hand mixer. Okay, within this speed hand mixer, you need to ask for help, as I told you. While you are using this, you need to ask for help, the help of your mommy, your nanny, to ask any adult for help. So this one, we are going to use this speed hand mixer for 3 minutes. Once you find this mixture is fluffy and it is like as if it is cream, ready cream, so you will stop. Let's start. I'm gonna show you. Okay, you are going to continue mixing until you see this consistency. Okay, after that, girls, just only to pause a little bit, I need you, please, girls and boys, the ones who are participating with us, please take photos, videos while you are doing your recipe with us and send me, or send to the Instagram, to the WhatsApp number mentioned in the Instagram to share your photos and videos. Thank you so much. Now let's continue. As I told you, you need to continue mixing this until you find this to reach this consistency. I will show you now on the camera what I'm speaking about. Do you see how it is so fluffy and white? Okay, now the second step is you are going to add the curry cheese or triangle cheese, any kind, or cream cheese. If you have any kind of cheese is acceptable. For me, this is what I have, so I'm gonna add 4. So I'm gonna add 4 cubes of cheese. Okay, girls? As you can see, here, this one, 4 cubes of cheese. I'm gonna add them to my whipped cream. Okay, this is the second one. So this is the third one. Yes, 4. So here we have, for repeating for the ones who joined us now, what I did, I started now doing the cream that will be used in our recipe. So far I did the whipped cream, finished from the whipped cream. I mixed it with this speed hand mixer for like 3 to 4 minutes until it is fluffy. And then I added 4 cubes of curry cheese. You can use, as I said, I will repeat it, you can use any kind of triangles, cheese, triangles, the cheese that you have in your fridge, any kind, it's okay. What I have here, I have this curry cheese. So I'm gonna mix them together. I will show you. Mix until all the cheese are blended with the whipped cream. Now the third step. So the first step in your cream, preparing your cream, is to use the whipped cream with milk, 225 milliliters of milk with 2 sachets of whipped cream. Mix them very well, 3 to 4 minutes until they are fluffy. And then add 4 curry cubes cheese. And now the third ingredient that you're gonna add is this, as I showed you, this creme caramel sachet. So I will be adding this and then I will mix together. Mix until you reach this consistency. All the ingredients I put, they are mixed together. Now it is time for the second step. What is your second step? Is the tray that I made. These are the biscuits I made. I dipped just a little bit. Yeah. Okay. These are the biscuits. I dipped in milk, as you can see. I kept 2 layers for the ones who joined now. I'm gonna repeat. I dipped these biscuits in milk and I kept them here. I made like 2 layers. Now, you need to pay attention. I'm not gonna use all this mixture. I'm gonna use almost half or more, a little bit than half. So I will mix here with this silicone spatula, the mixture. I'm gonna add like 3 spoons. I'm gonna spread these in the tray. As you can see, just only turning it around. So all this first layer, this is the second layer. So the first layer is biscuits dipped in milk. The second layer is the cream I did. Okay, this is the second layer I did. Now, also I'm gonna put in these cups. Okay. I will shake it a little bit. So all the mixture, as you can see. I'm gonna use this one as well. So here, as I mentioned, I used just only half of the cream I got. As you can see, my tray is covered, all of it, with this cream. The third step is, it is actually repeated. I'm gonna dip again the biscuit for the second layer. Okay, this is the biscuit I have. Okay, I'm gonna dip it with milk, and also I'm gonna put it as second layer of biscuit. So the first layer is biscuit, then cream, then biscuit, then at the end also we will have another kind of cream. I'm gonna use my scissors to open it. Okay. These are the biscuits. I'm gonna dip them again with milk. So fast and free move. Milk, dipping in milk. I'm gonna make this third layer. This is my third layer. So again, repeating, first layer is biscuits. Second layer is cream, mixed cream. I mixed whipped cream with milk and cheese, Kiri cheese, and creme caramel sachet, all together in order to have this cream. Now, this is my second in the tray. I will put here these cups as well. Okay, now this is the third layer. Now the fourth layer, and it is the last one before decoration. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep this one also aside to show you. Here I used almost half of the whipped cream with the mixture of whipped cream, creme caramel, and Kiri cheese. Now I will be adding here the gamer, thick cream, any gamer that you got, it's okay. I'll be adding this. I'm gonna use also my scissors. It is like 250 milliliter of thick cream. You can use half if you'd like. And I'm gonna use as well the 2 spoons of Nutella. If you don't have the Nutella, if it's not available now, you can add cocoa powder instead of the Nutella. Now here, oops, I'm dipping I'm gonna add this Nutella, 2 spoons of Nutella. You can use big tray because I believe here I'm gonna have extra from this. Okay, now what you're gonna do, just only with this silicone spatula, mix together this way, up and down. As I told you, it does not need here the speed hand mixer. Here it is so easy for you to mix them together. For the ones who are raising their hands, I'm gonna show you here. This is the mixture I got. For the ones who are raising their hands, I'll be answering your questions just only whenever I finish this. I will give you time in order to ask and to answer your question. So I will be repeating here. This is the last step. So the first step is biscuits. I dipped these biscuits in milk. I put them in the bottom of the tray, or in any cup, serving cup that you're gonna use. The second step is to mix the whipped cream with milk. 225 milliliters with whipped cream. Mix them very well. Like if you are having this hand whisk, you need to mix them very so fast, like 10 minutes. If you have this speed hand mixer, 3 to 4 minutes, just only whenever you feel that they are fluffy, it is time to stop mixing. Once you're done from the whipped cream, you can add like 4 cubes of Kiri cheese and creme caramel sachet. I showed you this one. This is the creme caramel I used. Add them and mix them also very well. This is the second layer. The third layer is to repeat the first one. The first one is to put the biscuit, also dipped in the milk. Now, for the last one, the first mixture I divided into 2 parts. I added here in the second part, I added Gamer, any thick cream you have. I use this KDD Gamer. Also, I added 2 spoons of Nutella. In case you have cocoa powder, you can replace Nutella with cocoa powder. So I'm gonna now mix. I'm gonna put this mixture. Okay. And I will spread this mixture all over my serving tray. You can add more. It's so yummy and smells great. Okay, also I'm gonna add here. I used to use piping bags for these small cups, but so far now I don't have time to put them in a piping bag. So because of that, I'll be adding them within this silicone spatula. Okay, I believe we're ready now. So just only shake these cups like this, and they will be, and even this tray, just only do it like this, and it will be ready. Now this tray, you can keep it like 2 hours in the fridge, and it will be ready to be served. Now at the time of, as I promised, we are going to have, also I'm gonna shake this one, we're going to decorate them in any way that you'd like. For me, I do have here, this is my favorite decoration for this Charlotte sweet. As I told you, shake it very well, so all the mixture will be the same all over. Now for me, I'm using chocolate syrup. If you you have cocoa powder, just only spread cocoa powder all over the surface. It is okay. For me, I'm gonna use this chocolate syrup. I will make lines. I will tell you what I'm gonna do within these lines. And here. Yeah. as well. Okay, I'm gonna use any thing here. I'm gonna have this for toothpick. I will show you what I'm gonna do. Just only, I will move it from up to down, and here from down toward up, down. Okay, as you can see, this is what I got. This is the Charlotte Sweet. Now I will be using different ways here. I do have 2 cups. You can use pistachio powder. You can use flakes, coconut flakes to decorate the rest. You can use also Nutella. You can use sprinkles. I do have sprinkles as well. I'm gonna use here some sprinkles. And I will show you. As you can see, these are the cups that I can serve Charlotte Sweet with. So here, girls, you do have the Charlotte. I will show you. If you have also mini marshmallows, you can use them. It's okay, it depends on you. What do you like? As you can see, I'm gonna show you. As you can see, this is the Charlotte Sweet tray I prepared. We prepared together, and these are, and you can see that they are not liquid, okay? Keep them in the fridge for like 2 hours and then enjoy your Charlotte Sweet with your family. I enjoyed a lot actually doing this sweet with you girls. Really, I enjoyed a lot. Now I will be answering your questions, just only to move it. I will start answering. If you do have any question, just only. It smells amazing. Now I have, is it hot or cold milk? It is cold milk. No, it's not hot. It should not be hot. I didn't mention this, but actually it's so clear. If it is hot, I will be answering you. Now, you, okay. I'll be answering questions. Please, if you, for the Dream Whip, some girls, they are asking, we need to use just only one, girls. Just only one pack of this one. It is made up of 2 sachets, okay? So I used 2 of the sachets are found here. I use this, all of it, okay? Some girls, they're still asking a question. I'll be answering, never mind. How many spoons of curry glass? You can use like 4 spoons, it's okay. Thick cream is added in the last one. The one who asked about thick cream or gamer, you will add it in the last one, the last cream. I said the first, whenever I did this whipped cream, I did it all together, but I used half in the first layer of cream. Adding the second layer, I added the gamer or the thick cream, and then I added the Nutella, or if you'd like to replace cocoa powder instead of Nutella, it's okay. How many spoons of, okay. I believe I answered your creme caramel is added in the first layer. Directly, whenever I finished from whipping the cream, whipped cream is ready. I added 4 curry cubes and then I added the creme caramel. Ms. Jetta, you're asking 1 cup of milk? Yeah, I used just only 1 cup of milk, which is 225 milliliters. The second cup of milk I dipped in the biscuits with. I believe I answered all your questions. Something else. Now it is time to vote. Are you ready? Are you ready for voting? Okay, I do have, thank you for attending, all of you. You made me so happy. I have like 21 now. They were 24 participants. If anyone wants to, just only raise your hands if you want to ask me any question. But for next week, I am planning to have one of these two recipes, either to have date balls for Ramadan, date chocolate balls for Ramadan, or to have Arabian ice cream. Which one do you like? Just only now on the chat, please write me whether you want the date chocolate balls for preparing them for Ramadan, or the Arabian ice cream with pistachio for Ramadan. Which recipe do you like? Write me down. And if you have any question, raise your hand so I will be answering. I will unmute you. Which one do you like? I started ice cream, Arabian ice cream. Mariam Lebaijan. Lujain Al-Hassan, ice cream. I believe I will go for ice cream. Taiba wants date balls. Okay. Dates. So let me see, Arabian ice cream as well. I do have many girls, they are with Arabian ice cream. Also, Shaykha is asking me for date balls, dated chocolate balls, Lulwa. Okay. So now you will make me confused. Actually, I will count how many girls voted for ice cream and how many votes girls voted for dates, and I will go for the number, the highest number. Lulwa is saying, please, please, please. If you have any question, girls, related to this recipe, Charlotte's sweet recipe, please raise your hand so I will unmute you in order to ask. And please take photos and videos and send me for Al-Ibtihaj class. Please send me your videos and photos. And for Al-Rumayda, I have girls from Al-Rumayda and Al-Khas and different classes. Just only go through a school's Instagram page. You will find the number for WhatsApp in order to share your videos and your photos. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed my period. I have Ghalia. I will unmute you. Ghalia?
Miss.
Hello, Ghalia.
Hello. Miss, you did like my mom. Yesterday she did that cake.
Wow.
The same cake.
Wow, amazing. Do you have any question?
What?
Do you have any question?
Thank you.
You're most welcome, dear. Thank you so much. I have Aisha Matar. Yes, Aisha, asking a question. Do you want to ask about anything?
No, miss, but thank you for your meeting with us.
Habibti, thank you. Thank you for attending. Okay. I have also Nada. Yes, Nada. You raised your hand. Do you have any question?
Yes.
What is your question, Nada Bandar?
The curry, when I did it, is floating up.
Just only you do it, or ask any of you. You need to mix it very well, okay? And it should not be directly from fridge. You need to keep it a while outside and then to mix it. Just only half an hour and then you will use it. This is what I did. Okay?
But you're so fast.
I'm sorry, because time is passing and I don't want to be late for the girls that they are following with me. Okay, next time I will slow down. Let me see. I have also Asma. Asma, do you have any question, dear?
Yeah, Miss, the first layer, the second layer or first of the whipped cream, it's like moisty.
Okay, you need to, do you have a speed hand blender?
Yes.
Okay, use, ask your mommy, ask the help of your mommy or your nanny, just only to mix them very well, and then add the mixture. Once you will add kiri and the creme caramel, it will be like, it will not be liquid. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're most welcome, dear. Ahmed, there is Ahmed Farida. Aisha, okay, I believe I answered all the questions. In case I didn't answer anyone, just only raise your hand. Hopefully you enjoyed our Charlotte Sweet. See you next week, inshallah. I will count who asked me to prepare the chocolate dates chocolate balls and the ice cream, and I will go for the majority. Thank you so much. I love you so much, girls, and see you inshallah next week.